Rental reimbursement coverage. Hi, I'm Omri Alkali, and this is insurance tips for smart people. So today I had questions from a client about how the coverage works on her vehicle when it is in the shop. The shop, though, had nothing to do with a claim. So rental reimbursement only applies in a situation where you have a covered loss, meaning accident or act of God, comp or collision. Rental reimbursement does not cover when you need your brakes fixed or you have a transmission repair. Um, that is not what it's for. It is designed to give you access to dollars in order to have a vehicle because you had an unexpected situation happen, not a maintenance. Now, a lot of companies have this coverage. Every company is different in what kind of coverage they give. Some companies give you a flat amount. Some companies give you a dollar per day up to a certain dollar amount. As an example, $20 per day up to $600, or $30 per day up to $900, or $50 per day up to $1,500. Obviously, there's a price for each one of those. Most of it's across the policy term, and it is not extremely expensive. However, there is a cost. So in some companies, it could be $21 for the $30 per day, or it could be $35 for $50 per day, and that is for the 6 months or the 12 months of the policy period. So just keep in mind that rental reimbursement is only for a covered loss. It is not for maintenance issues when your car is in the shop. So if you get into an accident, it covers. If you need repair because you need to update your brakes, it is not. If you have any questions, insurance tips for smart people, and I'm Ray Alkali, and share and like, share and like.